Hello and welcome to our video on toothbrushing instruction. We will explain how to keep the teeth, gums and braces clean. To brush well, you need to know where the plaque grows, which is at the gum line. We will now demonstrate this on the model. The tooth is white, the gum is pink, and where the pink meets the white is known as the gum line. It starts all the way at the back and moves up and down like a roller coaster. The pink triangles is where the most bacteria grow within the gum. The brushing techniques we recommend ensures the teeth and gums and brace are all cleaned thoroughly and in a systematic way. You will need to spend 10 to 15 minutes and use a fluoride toothpaste. So as we begin, you can use a manual or electric toothbrush to start. You will choose one jaw to start in, either top or bottom, and position the bristles at 45 degrees to the gum line. You will then carry out 8 circular motions at the gum line and then 2 flicks to cover the rest of the tooth surface. You will then move across the arch until you have covered all of the teeth. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Then once you have reached the other side, you will then move on to brushing the biting surfaces, again using small circular motions, moving from one side across to the other side. You will then move to the inside surfaces, making sure you're using the toothbrush, using small circular motions and engaging the bristles against the inner gum line. When you reach the front, you will need to change the angle of your toothbrush to more of a vertical angle. And then you will position it horizontally again as you get to the back, engaging the gum lines at all time. Then you will repeat this for the other half of the jaw, top or bottom, depending on which one you started with. You will then proceed onto the interspace brush to clean the pink gum triangles and metal squares, starting at the back and moving across to the other sides. So pink triangle, metal square, pink gum triangle, metal square, pink gum triangle, metal square, pink gum triangle, metal square, moving all the way across to the other side. Lastly, you will use the interdental brushes to clean along the wire and the sides of the brackets. There are different sizes depending on the space available. Start at the back and move across. So backwards, forwards and against the side of each brace. Backwards, forwards and along the side of each brace. Backwards, forwards and along the sides of each of the metal squares. Again, you can see here we have a slightly larger brush, so this would be better for the larger gaps at the back, whereas a smaller brush will be better for the smaller sizes of spaces at the front. The following brushes are all available to purchase as a kit or individually at reception.